Hey guys, welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm testing my Serge ZR13. This little scan unit. It does a lot of cool stuff. I'm in my 2008 Nissan Rogue, and here's what I see. Upon scanning, manual switch mode, as you could see, manual mode switch. That light is on, and as you could see, I have these pedal shifters on the steering wheel here. See, this is a sports version, and when you switch into manual gear, it allows you to actually use those things. And I noticed that last time I tried to switch into them, it wasn't working. So possibly it's due to the fact that this is on. So let's try to delete this code and see if we could actually fix the problem. So that delete was successful. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna, oops, I don't want this thing to fall. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Look guys, there's no key obviously. So now we are in park, and let me hit the brake pedal. We're gonna take this and we're gonna shift it into manual, and look at that. Number one just came on. So that's number one. So now the pedal shifter, we shift. So it's not really doing anything right now, but I will actually see if I'll be able to, like, you know, drive this and stuff in manual. But I know one thing is, it was just the D was on, you know, when I actually put it in that mode. So it wasn't really doing much for me. So let's turn these things off. Well, actually, let me turn on one more thing. Let me see what kind of lights we have on. We do have the airbag light on. So let's see if we could clear this code. So we're gonna go to this little S thing. I'm gonna go to SRS. Hit this. Wow, look at this. Frontal collision detection. And then we got pretensor FR disconnection. Wow, I don't know what that is. Current airbag inflator, left side module, left side, driver airbag module open. Now I did change the two doors. I did not change anything on the roof. Driver airbag module open, side collision detection. Okay, so let's try to delete this and see if this actually will delete. Possibly it's not, because yeah, it's successful, but is it? Seems like that airbag is still on, and this is still on. So it's really not doing anything, because I guess those things were not replaced. So I'll try to clear it one more time. It says it's successful right now, but the airbag light did not even come off. So it's okay. I guess we could go ahead and get out of that. Let's go to this one here, and let's see what this is going to read. No powertrain, DTS freeze frame. It's presently stored. So this is OBD2. Okay. So we're gonna go to Nissan OEM Enhanced. Let's see what we're gonna get here. So it looks like everything's good on this side. Just you know, let's test the ABS. Last time I was not able to test the ABS on my sprinters, so let me see if the ABS light will come on here. No ABS DTS are presently stored in vehicle's computer. Okay, so they're not stored. So obviously it's connecting. It's just not able to really, you know, read anything, you know, like that. But at least it's connecting. I don't know why I was not able to connect with my sprinters. I'll have to test several of my other models to try to see if it will connect. But I guess that's it here. Thanks for watching, guys. I wanted to do further testing just to see, you know, different vehicle, different problems, see what we're gonna get. We're also gonna test several of my other vehicles. Like I got a Chrysler 300, 3.5 liter, like a limited version. We'll test that, and we'll test some other cars as well. just to see what we could test and what we could delete and not delete and stuff. But I really like this little computer. I think it does a pretty good job. So thanks for watching. God bless you guys and take care.